So we're here cleaning some solar panels today. These are manufactured by Maxeon Technologies, which is a pretty unique manufacturer. They offer a 40-year warranty. The way they're able to do that is they have several features that they've incorporated that are pretty unique. So the first is this glass laminate and metal backing that fully encapsulates the cells. And the metal backing provides additional stiffness during transportation and installation to avoid micro cracks that can result in further defects down the road. These also have anti-soiling finishes that allow the dirt literally just to run off when it rains. And they have a hydrophobic property which makes it bead up and then pull the dirt away as the water washes away. These also have interdigitated back contact that eliminates the front side grid in areas where the dirt can accumulate, causing shading and then hot spots and micro cracks and additional defects. So Maxeon Technologies, they're a great panel.